District Legal Service Authority Ukrulwi Legal Awareness Program wi Seruksada Miyon Kuingalung Panel Advocate ina Rights and Issues of Daily Wage Earners and Laborers during COVID-19 Pandemic Kajuti Ponglu Mutimidlay Daily Wage Earners being with basic rights Kimame Kala Daily Wage Earners Kajiping Hikipamame Kala Kajikata Act Kajikata Law na Hang the Clay Wage Earner being Hili Kadata Tami Masun Nak me Kajikata Law na Kaji Til Law May Lay Kala Pandemic we alongly atum we problem face the clay Jikimame Kala Atumi Kazot Kazang Hi Kankwi Kawai government na Kajikata scheme me Kala Jilang with the hang the clay scheme he Kajikata me being na Sambang by Kaju Pongdi inam to me ra. Remake up the daily wage earner Bingli protect Sami Kawai low he Kata the origin sa Kaju Pongdi background Kasuga hang me the lay. India li unorganized sector li ot kasanaw thang we nalang pay gazanaw 43.7 crore sukalaya Chibingjia Kajijawi lui malayla nalang pay gazami o kai palaga yorkuilaga kringping construction apamli sim kasyam thong kasyam apamli nalang pay gazaping gazon raklaga yorkuilaga kringping lungkui kakhuipam li ngalang kapayping o karili ot khangsang khangtami the ngalang kapayping miwishim li ot sakmi kusham gujap ping teshirai hunting hana han yorlaka kringping rickshaw kathoping mystery ping higada ping hili unorganized sector we worker the thaya labor law we Karinva thang we nalang paygaza ping hili atami masun kada da ngak mira kada da saga atumna atami masun chili habakno ki kam lelakla kasungla kaina miyak na san bang pai khia ga si san bang ga ringwa pai kawai sarakla kiji rim ga labor law hi kashamna 43rd International Convention Kala Protocol 1 Li India la ratified saya jiwa klatwa India la mayada sign saya kala jiwa atishuda India li arui labor law related salaga hangphang alang the Central Labor Acts layer itumna thaibaya jiwa zaili Minimum Wages Act Maternity Benefits Act Street Vendors Protections of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014 Higata hina 29 October 1919 li International Labor Conference Washington Lisaya Chile International Labor Convention through adopt saya during zaili hours of work in industry li pungkya ka worker bing ot sarakla ke jiwi pongli kala unemployment ot mangrin lo ot masam ga phangping hili kathada samang kawai sarakla kaju pongni kala maternity protection etc kaja shunoping na ot kasa shunoping na now kawai krajitran now ka prajitran prakuyailala awi ot pamli ot masa paimada ot masa salala thumli kathada benefits mirakla kaju pongli la masuk rumah India we atishuda ot kasawi atami 8 hours na national pingli langpai we ot masa ngasak masa kangasak shinau pingli ngaya ot masa kangasak hikata hi kuraya British na mungdale laka atamuye na pung chisatli lang do osai ka overtime wages kami hilesaya Factories Act we atishuda langpai ot kasanau ping kala akava employer we relationship hi kada the regulate sarakla gi Trade Dispute Act 1929 li changa kala now the hi amend salaka Industrial Dispute Act 1947 the enforce sapoka kala hili ngarai kaza Interstate Migrant Workman Act 1979 tala laya matala kai na act hui karin nava migrant workers pingwi contractor ping hina workers ping hidi register samilaga license competent authority we na khimi phungra kaji changa kala act hili ngalangman kya khamira o sadak lai ping hili ngin khwai shin ka thata mira medical facilities ka thata mira kala atumna ot ka sa tam jran atum lim sa chu khwai kasan gjon ka thata mira kaji wi pong di act hili changa kala jililang mai ta ngarai gaza law the Building and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Services Act 1996 tala laya chiji construction workers ping katha the register sara kala atumna kaji katha social protection samang pai housing services katha samang pai kaji act hina chithaimia act hina provide saya kala chimikso hang chiko langdo ocha khai ping saikoro construction worker na gaji register sabaya gaji AQ ga sure da hangmia Indian Constitution with Article 14 15 16 19 21 kala 42 we are sure da ning nganung kapai sampang ran mikumo miya kana phungasap chagasap ot kasa kala ring phala kaina ring pai khawai ot ngaran khmi hi state with duty akhna kala chili chiwi ningrin jili passion chalaka hangdak lei lo saikoro hi kisham sara idumui Manipur we context ai nang jachika Manipur Shop and Establishment Act 1972 the layer hi we act atisuda kata da hangala jika chingum thada khni we ajing ping na tugan le ot masapai mana sunau kala khni thot mer nau ping pung sini ngathor we ai na habok laga ngaya pung sini aina we alung limang osara jili langdam sapai mana pichi katha o dugan li ot kasa hi pung chiko le langdam sapai mana kichi katha ngalang man pingchi chimikso kasine thangmakarang laka admui sambangkran ngalang manchi mi plungra gachi kala miakhna chingkum akha langda ochaya kha service privilege leave the atumli suti khuilaka kazang akha sukha atum wi ngalang man la samang laka atum suti khui paya kaji katha kala jingkum aga pai haya kha sick leave ja kaza manda leave khui pai kala otma wasala half wages samang pai kaji ji hangdak lei Manipur Shop and Establishment Act 1972 lila hidata ot kasana pingli data miyayam sun kala o otpam ngasam ngasakra jilala ngalangda nang samaulo dam hangpai mana kazanga ko suga advance in a notice milaka atumli ot sak ngasap hi hangda play ek hina atumli atumui masunji protect sa kawai law hina atumli pangsap miya kala Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014 dila government act akbasai jinaba songfu payli songfu ayarli sidewalk li footpath li pavement li public park li kala khangate songfu ayarli temporarily sim naw saka laga or maning a chatung chapa laga ot khyor kasaping hui wang atumui ot kasaji kahap habuk no khi kamale lakla sawa pai kpai atumli protection mi kpai wi ek akhne hi ji section 3 with clause 3 we attitude the street vendors pingli maga sampai mana kala relocate masa pai mana atumli certificate ma merang laka kala chingum thradamati kapai ga hyping or maning ka government rinsidai na hiping kaji fix sami laga town vending committee ping certificate mira kala kalika street vendors we masingji vending zone jali pambusa we capacity li chumai hayaka down vending committee na lottery system na the certificate yaw mira kala kalika da ma khangarin changsala la vending zone jiga atum no ot your vai apam chiwing lemli atum lila your vai ngran mira kichi hi hangdak lai actually changa jena section 5 wa issue da atum katha da atum certificate chi samang pai for example atum certificate chi mukhui rang laka undertaking khuya ja ana ot your dak lai chi a masa wi wang or maning ka awi shimkhur wi wang a your rag je undertaking khuya kala hi man chikatha what meaning la khang tai awi thang wi ring vai what malai mana kachi katha chikatha condition katha kala apam juwe na apam khang tai li ma bambara chidi what your la ka pamra chikatha condition hi section 5 li chang la chi fulfill sa khai pingchina other street vendors we certificate chi samang pai kala atum we marakli any dispute le salala vending committee we forumly atum dispute chi settle sara kala settle ka ta sara kala ku chi hangdak le actually chethemia cheta ga mai na chi we patient na Manipur Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vendors Rule 2016 the Shanghai chia street vendors pingwi magaben maringa pha leilala complaint leilala katha mai da atmi dispute resolution ji settle sarkla ji chili changmia kala madala kaina COVID-19 pandemic wa lung hili lockdown wa lung hili mi kachung khana otpam shiman maroka madala kaina daily wage earners pingli sajuya labor law na law la violates kasawi report la traka labor pama human resource limit saida sakai wewang working hours industry kai khana factory kai khana madai sang laka bot atam sang mai ta sa khang sat katha hi katha ta hila labor pama hi labor law violates kasa aponga khana nin khawai shim musam gapang kasakaja maknarin or kala interstate border close either migrant worker ting songfully pamgazat shimni manung baila pamgazat hekathawi problem hi traka thang alai ngalam phaigaza naw ping hi santham saka lockdown hi namaram sada mazan khamai mi pingli traka saga chu samphanga athangwi thangwi ring kawai otpamji shiman saka thangwi kring karakli khangazon ngalang phai kawai otmsang gapang construction project ngasam gai wi wang daily wage underping otmalela ngasam gai or school close side or kala smartphone effort msara to the kichikatha gajam shimpurna online class majang rar to the awa wi pisa tan gajat ngalang phai gajat li sursat kai kadai la sobu pama government food security wa jingli khangran kya ka samila la chiwi benefits masam gapang thang ngalang phai gaja ping la sang gapang report la sang pama jena ariwe mtala kaina handing hanna your laka thang wi ring wai ngalang phai laka Octidak ping dalagana street vendors ping we he kajok zantra mga Prime Minister Street Vendors Atma Nirbhar Nidhi BM Savanity S Savanity the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs na June 2020 li scheme hi launch saya hi 2022 aina tangda hi benefits hi claim sapaya hi mtala kai nai hi li kana ka pai sambang ka pai je bakikla jika street vendors ping na capital loan rupees 10,000 aina tangda atum kui pai kala atum na loan chi chingum akhui lungli runga pai kala atum na chui mangali runga gajila sapai kala chui interest 7% per annum hi atum account li subsidy government transact samira direct benefits transfer on quarterly basis aina mati sida jena atumna loan chi thang mai da mi kala la ju penalty malemra kala hili sa khim mai darkar sak la jika atum aadhar card atum phone link certificate atum street vendors na gi certificate chi leitlungra kala hi street vendors mang lemning la kusham gi japing phayop ka shamping pan shopping laundry service ka saping lilo cover saya ka atum hi street vendors na ji athang street vendors act we azing li sanghai criteria we athishu da atum hi certificate sinking ra hina aju ina daily wage earners kala laborers ping we issue kala atum rights sikhima mai kala atum li ka jikatha ek ka jikatha law na atum li protect sami kala atum ka da khang chon samang pai ku jiwa pong ji hina ni share